We're back with Andrea Campbell and her favorite part of the show, the pop quiz.
The pop quiz.
Okay, first one. You have to go back to 1969 to find a Republican serving as Massachusetts Attorney General. So who would that be? And you can see the options there on the screen. Would it be Ed Brooke, George Feingold, or Elliot Richardson?
Ed Brooke.
You know what? That was my guess too, but it's not. It's Elliot Richardson, who
Was
became... Yes, he was before Ed Brooke. He became U.S. Attorney General under Richard Nixon until, of course, that Watergate thing that we all remember. Okay, number two. We just mentioned Ed Brooke. He holds the distinction of being the first African-American
Maybe I just wanted to talk about Ed Brooke.
Well, now you get a chance. The first African-American to be popularly elected to the U.S. Senate. He also received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Which president gave him the honor? Was it Bill Clinton? Was it George W. Bush? Was it Barack Obama?
That's a good question. George Bush?
Yes, you got that right, yes. Okay, number three, how about crime writers, okay? Crime has always been a major problem for the city of Boston as well as statewide. Dennis Lehane, Boston-based author of Mystic River and Gone Baby Gone, appeared as himself on a network TV show. We're going to give you a couple of hints. It was a detective drama, and it was on ABC, which is our network. So your question is, what show was it? Was it Magnum P.I.?
What year?
Can't give you that. Well,
all before my lifetime. Sorry.
These are all old shows. These are shows that I watched instead of you watched. Magnum P.I., Columbo, and Castle.
I'm just going to say Castle.
You guessed right.
Is that right?
It was.
So surprised.
He played the part of a crime writer and used to play and allegedly
that was a total guess.
Played cards with played poker as part of a fictional crime writer, Rick Castle. Okay. You graduated from Princeton University. U.S. Presidents James Madison and Woodrow Wilson are also alums. So was a rather infamous vice president. And who was that? Was it Aaron Burr, Spiro Agnew, or John C. Calhoun?
Was it Agnew?
Yeah, no, it was Aaron Burr.
Oh, who knew?
Agnew,
that's going far back.
I think Agnew went to Johns Hopkins and Calhoun went to Yale.
But that's going far back.
Yeah, so how did we do? Did we get two out of four?
I said somewhere in the middle. I'm always somewhere in the middle.
Well, you've maintained your record.
Let's go to more current day topics.
And
we want some quick answers. So should the state suspend the gas tax?
My position is no, and I've been talking to a whole host of elected officials, of course, thinking there's other ways to provide relief to families, and that we should do that, looking at other sources of revenue, and keep this for green infrastructure and other things that it's needed for.
All right.
And next one is the death penalty. Is it appropriate for the marathon bomber, Dzhokhar Tsarnaev?
I've always been opposed to the death penalty. Of course, I'm born and raised in the city of Boston and acknowledge the horrific acts and the trauma that many folks continue to experience from that. But I've always been opposed to the death penalty because of the racial disparities that exist within that system, and haven't changed and never will.
When and where do you still wear your mask, if you still do?
Indoors, and I've been encouraging folks as numbers go up to continue to wear your mask indoors. It's not just about protecting yourself, it's also about protecting, of course, other residents.
And as a matter of fact, she just had her mask on until we started taping. And
That's right, we all did.
We all had it?
Yeah.
We just took them off. Okay. All right. And so the state police, they work very closely with the Attorney General's office.
Right.
Your predecessors, they have been reluctant to call them out or criticize them despite the long list of scandals that have been well publicized in recent years. So if elected, will you be any different?
Absolutely. I care deeply about transparency and accountability in all systems. And as I'm getting out there on the trail, what's coming up is public corruption, misappropriation of funds. This is what voters are talking about. They want an AG who's going to always, of course, be bold and courageous and ensure that there's accountability when there's wrongdoing. That's exactly the AG I would be.
And anything specific that you would do that has not been done in the past by your predecessors, if you're elected?
I think it's not just looking at the state police or public safety agencies. It can be city employees, state employees. This is what I'm hearing, of course, from residents. If there is misappropriation of funds or misconduct, absolutely pushing for accountability and establishing systems to do that. Right now in the city of Boston, we have this Office of Police Accountability and Transparency. I helped draft that legislation to create that historic office. We could do the same thing statewide, of course, to have other municipalities in the state police or others make sure that they're adhering to principles of transparency and accountability.